Oh, there's a new update on Animal Company. New update on, what's it called? The Animal Company, and there's fingers now? 3,000 because I'm built different. You can customize your color and stuff. You can customize the color, but like, color. And then once you customize your color, just hold this. And then you turn to that color. And then, oh gosh. Oh look, there's even a yacht setting right there. There's new daily company coins. They added company coins. Okay, and there's also a new entity. I don't know. I mean, I haven't seen, or I have seen it. A new entity called the Mimic. It is. They changed everything around. So now you can't. Dude, what the Sigma, man? What the Sigma? I want to test a creature. I finally. Okay. To my flashlight. Should be somewhere in this cave. That's just a normal player. Definitely not a mimic. Mimic. Oh gosh. Oh, we're dead. The mimic's dead, bro. Oh gosh. Okay. I killed the mimic. But there should be one spawning. And I need to show you the one that spawned. But I guess we just need to wait for the next one to spawn, so. Okay. His dead body despawned. He should. Alright, guys, look. I'm gonna touch him. Dude, you good? Oh gosh! Oh gosh, that's how his face looks like, guys. That's how his. Oh gosh, no. That's how he looks like, guys. Oh gosh. How could he go down here? Oh gosh, he's a creepy creature. And that's why no one. Oh gosh, that's creepy. Is he coming down here? Because I need to go back up. Yeah, I don't think he's coming down. Good. Yeah, so that's a new entity. That's actually a scary one. But yeah. They switch everything around. So, it used to be, the sewer used to be in that tunnel, but now it's in this tunnel. So, and you have to fit through this hole. That's hard. You go over here, and then just that, and then cook, jump and cook. Gosh, I'm cooking right now. And the mimic, I think, is in this cave too. Or Macho Man's in here. Alright guys, Macho Man. Alright, that's not Macho Man. Macho Man's that buff kid. Whatever his name is, buff kid. Alright, they added 4 bags now. But since I'm alone, I can only have one. That's like 1,000. That's like 500. But yeah. Okay. Cause it's actually like level. The difficulty is hard if you have to. Oh gosh, I cannot die. I'm dead. Shut up. Gosh, I can't die. Shut up. Oh. Difficulty. Oh gosh. Dude, I almost just died all the way over there. There's like a lot of eyes over there. It's just gonna be hard, but oh gosh, climb up there, like the. Okay, alright, I'm cooking right now. Go up here. I'm cooking Animal Company. Oh gosh. I'm cooking the Animal Company for the first time. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm dead. No, I made it. Alright, wait, so. I'm cooked. Alright. Oh god. Okay. Alright, I'm cooked. Alright, I think we jump over here. Please don't die. No. No. exactly $3,000. Oh gosh. Alrighty guys. Oh gosh, we're cooking. I just cooked on money. You see how much money this is? I cooked on it. I'm gonna go kill the red light, green light monster. The traffic light. Over. I'm gonna go kill the traffic light. Oh gosh, I just killed traffic light. Traffic light, hold up. Oh gosh, alright. I might. Okay, I can't move. Dude, why is this monster in the way? He's getting annoying. Let's go. Let's go. I killed the traffic light. Alright. Angle first. I can't kill it. Dude. Okay, so we're just gonna. I cooked? I think I cooked. Hold up. Cook. Oh gosh, never mind. I didn't cook. Alright guys, I almost cooked, but I didn't. Guys, I just cooked and got the egg. Throw the egg. Sell the egg. Eat the egg. And we're done. I made bank again. I hope you enjoyed. Alright, bye guys.